Uncle about Badwam Ahosepe Jumedi so I has a world of entertainment. Nia a check go ye can boom ye fatawani in sumo gracias Montero osmosis. Now get your bro. Me producer I'm from my big girls. Wake can no album see and fan sumo. Well we could director Teche. Timing I a crowd meeting the Sandra or hemming. Adwuma ngame Adom entertainment in Ghana for chemwa.
Sending where the jail or your guy. Sister Sandy be a guy.
And I'm the guy's queen. Straight up, Black Stars at Akuma. Still, and Crawford get you over it. Still no heartbreak. Me I cry, mama fasting by force because, hey, but take it easy on the guys. Because her reactions, if you're a man. I'm saying, Cote d'Ivoire, her comfort to Tobo, a bomb bass. We say, I find a Ghana, see, Kaya, bits me, the IB book cream. And no. And I see a dear quite sakano. And to take it easy, me who say Cote d'Ivoire for once yet to bomb. Don't forget, say, omuye nipa first. And sana omuye footballers no. And here some of the reactions are your celebrities that they buy. My first one na her first video in Brazil say buy to aso.
Why the guy go? See you. The guy go. He do like this. Wait, after I do that finish, no, he start raising hand, show the referee, say, I don't do anything, I don't do anything. You see him. You see foolish boy. You see foolish boy. You see foolish boy. I know say you people watch. I know, yeah, na, or then answer, yeah, born, you see. But we na. Richard Ofori. Richard Ofori. Say now which born the da horse say who count time in say Ujimi the woba. One kasa ube share playback. One kasa ube share playback. No we say eye Jimmy na uko Jimmy you know. Me nye wo. Me nye wo. Eye nkwasi asem na uko di you know. Enti onsa na wo de ka ball na wo nya sure no. Chie ana jemu because me know me no nim say enye wo po mu na ball na e ba no. Oh yeah sure 100% sure. Say you pull muna ball ne bano. So why you go to the this one? See, see where I hang my check right? Me hanging on the bag. And right. The game.
This thing when they talk, someone say me go talk. The most stupid thing I've ever seen in my life, is being a Ghanaian. Sometimes one man talk, somebody just say, why they talk like why? Yeah, Jimmy Dudu, you don't know opportunity. You understand me? God give you 2 goals, 90 minutes. You made a score. You did it. Everyone look like you. See, 20 minutes. I'm not sure about
we have a blaster. It's 3 points. 3 points, 3 goals. I tell you 1 goal. Can we share for?
And somewhat Miss Jean, so I'm emotionally downcast. And Patrol, we apologize for some of the words. Wale, added to my dear chain said, "You better say you're very, very sorry. We apologize dearly." I'll say I woke up still not believing yesterday's results. Our Black Stars pioneered such humiliation. But I said maybe sir, they're much training. I'm winning more, buddy. Mujina Park and some with me pass a kakra. And now Kazakake. Oh. Take it easy on the guys. They are humans, please. Meaning saying na yakumate, but take it easy. You can express yourself, but hey, mamu ya almost Yamoshi na jenko yamoshi my mediato so bacho. Yamoshi na menkwala no ho asem ncho kakra. Enshoma yabo de ho se am yadoma kwesi ade da enemy. West Hills Mall 3 p.m. me patrol drew 1. Me no waka say drew 1. Because hosen you see mafa no. When no teme be hagin. Oba Christy ejinjina. Ye be dem kwa achire. Ne nyom ni nyina ngane na meso niema ye be so ni nyina we stage no. Eso keche. Hey, party of the year. What's more standing by party of the year because ye better we still small kwesi ada tin patrol. 1:30 na. this year ya form for Nshoma oni mebwa school ben no free sorry ben no representing area ben bia now area wom enti kwasi ada bomade a joining West Hills more 3 p.m. and Nshoma season 6 na jempa hontoma emfa emawo enti tie enwumwe osmoja to mame keche a new banger ya was what I be ya no party of the year aya keche latest song na ase na enyom na honka wo mu a atija wo TikTok ne so no wutimu se kwasi ada West Hills so mo de beche e bebutu honom se ye wi asasa ye nema ni aba kokomremre eti yan sha de ma real quick but when you akohoma jeba ye to aso.
You are the reason why I am still my life. Kings I depend on you so I can survive. I promise in confuse I go change my life. My baby wait for you, I will soon arrive. Me when I'm any a day, only word I'm made in, full of confusion. So I go do anything for you.
What's it then? Full of them. Full of.
Becca, mammy. I don't think I'm about anymore. I just hear me so fresh. I can see me pie boy.
Say 50 years.
He said, Minim dada.
Minim dada, okay. Now, a year over there.
Baby show me talent. Oh, I don't see.
Oh, baby show talent.
So much.
What talent in a day? What better you man? I hear rap and I will stand out.
I'm a whole musician, so I sing.
You are what?
I'm a whole musician.
You are a whole musician.
Yeah.
Okay. They over you.
A whole musician.
Yeah.
Okay.
You mean for keyboard man nabe.
See. Oh, your mama remarried baby. Oh, a bra quanto imo. You say me ya be na matuma jumo. O binti se kanga any time for rentino. Me kora me maya nyabutre. Yankwati a drumra. I saw ramo. Me kora me maya ma bonjo. Vampire bonya me buana me betra. Me chamo se nyankro.
That's it.
A whole musician.
I am mata.
Huh?
I am mata.
Ayamata. What's it then? Meteo. What's it then? What's it then? What's it then?
Oyabanjum.
Yamayum.
Yamenyum. To Yamenyum, may say.
It's so busy. We move more. Adam, okay. I'm way move more. If you remember me, it'll go, mommy. Can you see? I'll grab him. 7 a.m. 7.
I said, "Damn, Pawate." I said, "I wait here. Auditions na, but one more ya form on us when in so catch a question. Basha more fry ya form. Ebi mo ne nemu 16 years. You see, you better be set. Going to me, my grandpas. I was more 12 years, 8 years, sir. Yan to us so emotion. Enko X as well. And can't sit near friend of Twitter no. Now they be a make us one more. It's not social media. It didn't call for atom no. They don't have the balls. I keep saying it. Because if you have the balls, if you have the balls, say it in public. Say what be twachi, a jad dem ajata. A branch that I'm trained for 10 chance. A branch be your ex no so. Football will be a chena jane. What in a throw the anako. But just a branch 8 minia could draw. Eddie Saminia. Say, there's somebody at my ya the chamo. Ya the moody at my because oh, we will be any more than some fire hoko. But Samini dear, or find a personal because apparently no guy no and the tribe. Eddie Dean at him. I mean, yo, what's up? And Kwalea Mabe, what's up? Who feels so craft phone net data into social media and I be doing penny for them. Tear to a brantiano. First of all, no, mammy, your coca, you know. I need your Samini Cow X so and sunny about message. Ain't all quiet, Sano. Samini is there, or no, mammy to pito, where chubby no nam into a bed mafia guy, no. Ain't he? I ain't a Samini so a chain boy in the picture. and order to X na so say on fa hundi aye say we social media commando mebre wase obejo mejo baalu boy ni hu de eba na emu eya no okay enti Samini boy ni nie mo chana ni mo so what mean did you atem so chana ni mo so pa me Samini he says I'm a foolish man and I should F off cause I type my sentiments on my own wall about my own national team. I no mention him, but he moved to me with pure diss. If I do have HGF, then just know you've been found. It's only a matter of time. Shaking my head. Internet macho go learn this year. And all day I brand no a picture to her. Fine guy, nice guy. What the phone cheated the atom. To boy ni who the other say ni ye. Yachino. And of course, Samini inbox mo say no control. Samini inbox mo. Of course, Samini inbox mo ko patch. Real quick, yeah, no. And I'll call and say, Samini, I'll find you, my G, LOL. Unless you go into permanent hiding, you say what you type to me, my face. And I make her. And some now to me throw so she a diatem say no make sure so we share any pana. Ubenya savem no. Yes, I will. We a coward. And a boy no just say, hey boy, and a boy in a satro. And as I mean, say, thanks, bro. You will regret you did this, bro. Mark it anywhere and watch your back. Coward. Hide. Don, I carry God beg you. I feel who dear con said Debbie. I bant any boy for. So God, I carry God beg you now. Frustration cause all this. Hey. When I'm asked why I'm frustrated now, who could you be at home? Well, say, I don't know how to say it, so. But please, I'm begging you in the name of Allah. Please forgive me. Please, I'm really sorry for that. I am nobody to speak to you in such way. So please don't follow the anger and hurt me. Hey. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. I hope so what's your answer. Oh. I hope so next time. You are nobody now, Okano. Uncle Dio be at social. They say, Samini, what share quite say near because some of them think they have balls to write on social media. You show I feel patrol. Tibra Penny and a paid evidence Sabaton Sayem a patrol with Fidicassi. So Samini, you bet patrol, Sabrantiano, and when a mistake, no a patrol. You see, apology solves it all. It's a patrol the fashion or ate, Uniakatoa. When the social media and Qualay be not dogging. Why? You bet patrol. Now, so Branty, we have to go and see no more. Why? See the best. Oh, so once a master minutes, watch a penny, boom, 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 mano, watch a penny, brap penny, medasi. I hope I sell our lessons too. Mom, we say social honor. Social, I will say, a Clobia, a Pluto, as you. We just don't care. We just don't care. I remember that. What's it? It's real quick. Shadia way, bra. Ya buy it was so. It's on your friend or Danita Akosia. And your friend or what's your friend Afronita? One of the most lovely dancers I've ever come across. Her smiles, her beauty, her crafts, everything is just on point. Baby girl, you know we love you, right? And oh, she uses the Gaia soap. Yeah, gracias. Yeah, that's sorry, and na in Sembi Chegu Mountains was say, Ikua was joining a dance with purpose. You trust with here, FN DWP no. And say, Wakramo, Wapacking in Yema. Intino DWP, a one and a dance god wa free a monomokai. And Beno do man release press statement to be about for Nita de Nihu here wa for a muntino. DWP release statement. Say, Omoni ni hobby, a bayano a packing in the person no acquire any movement. I will be a owo. And in some no Dawson will be an the all kind, BC say, BC Sikasembi, BC O, office when your numbers will be singing in Aje. Yabab warning in ano abo full stop, Eddie say. Menumi and any DWP honum. Menumi and young quabbles, young Afro beast and young Danita. Dear see ye via no crow was sim you manca say ye my try some no quabbles back as sabat. I'm so already a baby are calling free by no him say, sister will be paying for me, she were female. Ain't no diacos to biano. The bet me I can say I will show more all the very best. Nia will be a quayano, enyinstra and famano because dance God the free mono. Kai hunsa wan shiase, which na so the dandia and nay, We're one of the big, in fact, the biggest dancer I know. DWP, Dance God the film, Ekone still members in top forms, still almost Nigeria, Niema. It's in your way now for Nita film on group neighbor. And then your way now for Nita Ebecon or Quashiasi Debbie. Obiabe ye, Obiabe din Shasan, a dance god in late my old year, DWP, Asian. Let peace prevail. Mama, as we might say, in a DWP, the better months and so. Almost DWP based Afronita well in her new journey. We are happy to announce that our dear Danita Akosua-Adomah has moved on as a brand on her own. It was a tough decision to let Afronita go, but her move is in line with the mission of Dance with a Purpose Academy to build brands out of all the young and gifted personalities that joined the family. Afronita joined DWP in 2018 at the age of 14. She successfully combines dance and education and succeeds at both to the administration of many. Admiration. Today, we are all witnesses to the tremendous transformation DWP has had in her life and artistic career. She, together with the many talented members of the DWP family, have changed the narrative around professional dancing in Ghana and beyond. Afronita's move is not the first and will certainly not be the last. Indeed, an opportunity like this affirms our slogan, find your purpose and live it. DWP is committed to unearthing talent, nurturing them, and building strong personalities and brand that can thrive individually and as a group. We will continue to focus on our core family values, including honesty, respect, compassion, and responsibility. We believe the sky is big enough to allow all of us space to shine as a group and also as individuals. Our doors are open to new talent in Ghana and beyond as we roll out our next biggest initiative this year. We encourage all our fans, corporate organizations, individuals, and partners in Ghana and abroad to continue to support the dream of DWP so we can continue to nurture great talent. We love DWP Academy. So this is it, family. This is it. It's very sad. It's very sad because I remember Afronita Ahosepe Extra. She was very young, 14. Not surprised. Dance God. And I didn't realm. They said, the name is all Dance God. And now I know I Star Girl Galaxy. Because come to think of it, Afronita be a group here. Your friend of Star Girl Management or Instagram. So whatever it is, no, trust me. Semedege. The information, no, real information. Trust me, trust Badwam, trust Ahosepe to deliver. You didn't some no, you better hear him the Diaka Abram, it's your now the very best. Go for gold. Whoever you are, wherever you are, we support you with love. We are here for the talent. It's your all the very, very, very best. This is sad because her smiles, her dance, and everything in the group is just one to behold. Now you're free. Ahosepe no na me nko anigisem kakra. Mr. Ibu, me mamembo shinko Nigeria. Me free Ghana. Me kwaba. Ko Nigeria. Ho na Mr. Ibu sini twani na nse tete say na 9 ye twa 2 we see ye twa 1 we see ye ntwai. Apparently no papa no nyame adom. We are happy to see him fitter. Wa befia no ho fefefe. Ne nan ne kra sebita frache. Wonhu. Eti e bia na wonhu ipacho hwe wa Ahosepe so brasisia. Free Nigeria about them wakwaba kokomlemle fan of our studios. A ho area de Ahosepe free ho ebrewo. Nani emoshi enkofo di one awoda na make Ahosepe work for area draw aba 3p garlic mixture. A draw yarewa air size to wani. Me say antonchia yare bie hawo aye kranko wachini wunyan wadru me kan for 3p garlic mixture edema obesity fite 3p better ne te BP 3p e better ne te it's bomodi ama wonsa enkebi wonsa ka 3p garlic mixture so a now no Juango energy drink ampedu me boss am and now akasa say this year nshoma mofra no energy no se be tight no betimi e roll stage ana nankroma emebra this year mom Juango energy drink it's an sad drink no preservatives all natural and can come one way sports no and I'm account for my sportsmen and women no ujina ko pramane so a unya Django energy drink a obi nka ncho se America no ye the battery a show mu battery no aye Django energy drink omudi o mawoda ye mushi na ye mo mawoda pa sanse nya me di mfie ka wa afe wo mfie ho a o de afeka ho a is enough blessing ebia na wo wani da bibi so mai dwene ho you have life that is enough it's nyo di kan me amebra aye keche Andrew Bosky we go way back memawa woda pashunko way back keche tigo first 20 ebra well be Kofi Ampadu am director I'm Poma Begels Abilonzi I'm a producer Thomas Madam Catherine omoya aboafo mosoyechi Festus Saponis member omuna so Chamego Esther Ann Akoloche or makeup department Tachima Bruni medas osmosis aye me sound I'm the guys queen we share mokumanga aboshe I hope so media obi atimo social media fabo boza macro